pasta word.
Hey, today we're going to make a delicious dinner. We're going to use some pierogies and make pesto pierogies with peas. And we're going to serve them with
Boneless strip steak made in the Power XL air fryer. Fresh beef.
They're nice steaks, aren't they?
I'm going to air fry the steaks. I'll just preheat that to 400, right?
Right. I'm going to saute some onion with some butter here. While he's doing that, I'm going to saute the pierogies right into that mixture. And we're going to add some steamed fresh peas. So we'll steam fresh them in the microwave. You can use peas that you cook on the stovetop if you'd rather. Then we're going to mix in some classico traditional basil pesto. So flavorful, lots of garlic and basil in there. Yummy. So that's our plan.
Makes me hungry.
You want to get started with the steaks?
Yeah, I'm going to spray olive oil on these and a little salt and pepper. See how easy opening this is. What easy opening?
Oh yeah.
With scissors.
Those are New York strip steaks, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think each one's about 3/4 of a pound. So they're nice sized steaks.
Still aren't open. Look at. I could cook them in the pouch.
Oh no, no. No sous vide today.
Why is this so hard to open? Still not. Fuck. Well, they're sealed good. One. That was yours. Want that little piece on the end there?
Maybe it'll be a tasting piece.
Tasty with that fat.
Oh, the fat? Well,
That broiled up.
yeah.
Oof.
Cool.
Little olive oil. Nice and neat. Let's see. Spray some olive oil. Could rub it with oil if you like. Ground pepper and salt. On both sides. We're going to air fry this on the rack at 400 degrees until the internal temperature gets to 145 to 165. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
That should be medium.
Medium to well, because we like them a little bit more done than a lot of people do, right?
Yeah. Okay, don't they look good?
Oh yeah.
I think so. Preheat it over here. Oh, one. Should I have sprayed that rack? No, I got enough oil on the meat, right? Right?
That's right.
Put them in the middle. Carefully. It's hot in there now. And then continue. That's 11 minutes. I'll check it when it says 6. Flip it over. How long is yours going to take?
I better get busy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta chop the onion first.
Clean up my little area.
Is it focused on,
Focus, focus.
where's the focus pocus?
On focus. Focused on the onion.
All right, we're gonna just make rather large slices of the onion because I want them to be bite size so that they don't disappear. So we're just gonna make, woo!
What?
You scared me there, that's a big knife. Okay, we're gonna make chunks like this. A little bit substantial pieces. Now I'm heating up the burner on the stove so we can get right at it. I'm actually going to use a half a stick of butter. And if it looks like we need more, I'll add more. These pierogies are fresh, so they're not the usual frozen type that a lot of people use. These come from New Jersey, and they're not cooked, but they're not frozen, so the dough might absorb some of this butter.
That's good.
Yeah, let's go over and get these on the burner. All right, I'm going to start by getting the butter in the pan. The pan's a little bit hot, as you can see. This is the Ninja Never Stick pan. And we're just going to toss the onions in here, let them fall apart into their own little slices. There we go. You see the butter's browning already because I started with a hot pan. And I can tell you right now, I'm going to put the other half of that stick of butter in here.
That's good.
Don't you think so, Rick?
Yep.
All right.
The pierogies aren't frozen, right?
No, and
Were they when you bought them?
nope. They're fresh. That's why we buy them locally around here. So we're going to get them started too because this is raw dough here. Oh. Got the same problem with my package. Easy open. Alright, let's toss them in. Saute them right along with the onions. Take a look at the consistency here. They're nice, puffy, filled. That's why I like them. The filling in them is good. And you can buy different choices. Alright, let's make sure they get coated with butter. As the onions cook, they'll cook too.
What other things do they have in them?
They have sauerkraut,
Oh,
and they have another cheddar cheese.
never had them with sauerkraut.
No.
Try it.
Yeah, let's try that sometime. Alright, this is looking good here. How's the steak doing over there?
I'm going to check it in 1 minute.
Alright, I can smell it. Can you microwave the peas for me here?
A piece of peas.
Yep, that's a steam fresh.
Just put
take
the bag in.
Yeah, it says on the back how many minutes.
Smells good.
Yes, it does.
Onions and butter.
Oh, yeah.
Pass the word. Okay. Time to check my steak. I'm going to flip it. Then I'll take the temperature. Pull your bottom rack out so you don't get no moisture in your vents for the lid there. It's hard to clean out the inside of there, but it can be done.
It's a little trick we learned.
Ooh. Somebody likes it just like that, don't they?
Yep, somebody does.
How about that?
Yep, looking good.
Looks good, yeah.
See, it does get some air frying from the bottom, but it's better to turn them over, right?
Just out of curiosity, let me check the temperature inside.
125.4.
All right, just like you like it.
That's rare.
You're rare.
I'm a rare bird. Look at these babies. Ooh, Rick.
Oh yeah, crunchy.
Look at that, nice and
Oh, I
brown.
forgot I'm cooking peas across the room.
Oh yeah, the peas. Ooh, Alright, while this is sauteing here, it's almost done, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, you got the peas?
There's the peas, they're hot.
Alright. Thank you. Got it. It says, pick up here.
Oh, probably hot.
Yeah. Alright, let's get them right in there. Ooh, hear that sizzle. Alright, we'll toss them in. Look at those beautiful pierogies. Oh my gosh. Now you could add other vegetables here if you like. You could add some like leafy greens, maybe spinach or kale. Baby kale would be nice. I think this looks good. Because we're going to have plenty of basil and green in this. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat down because this will continue to cook. I'm going to use some of the basil mixture here. So I'm going to shake it up real good. Just going to pour some of this over top. Oh my gosh, look how nice. That's really loaded with garlic.
That's good.
Wow. Toss that in while the pan's cooling down a little bit. Oh, the smell just elevated. Alright, let's put this on hold now until the steak is done. We'll let the pan keep it warm and delicious.
We got 1 minute over here.
Alright, that timing is good. That's really nice. That's really nice.
So is this. So that was 11 minutes total on the steak.
Okay.
5 minutes on one side, 6 on the other. And when it stops, it's going to cool down for 20 seconds or so. Can't wait. Sizzling in there. See it?
Wow, that looks beautiful. Here you go.
Mmm. Oh.
You want to check it?
Well, I'm going to check the temperature first.
That's a good idea.
See if it's done.
Yep.
How you like it?
And how you like it.
It smells good over there. 133, you want more than that, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, 135.
Okay.
135.0.
I don't mind it looking a little more broiled.
Yep.
Let's
Give
put
it
it towards
like-
the top for a couple minutes.
Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be good, huh?
Oh yeah, that should make it nice.
Put it on the top. 400 again
Yep.
for like,
How about 4 minutes? I hear your stomach growling.
yeah.
Meat does that to you when it's cooking.
That smells good too over there.
Yeah?
Let's get our table set.
Okay.
Get a plate or two. Cool down. I can't wait. Gotta be done. Just put it right on the plate.
Yeah, I think we can trust it.
How's it gonna look? Whoa, look.
Wow. Wow.
1,
I'll take that one.
2.
You want to check it just to see what it is?
Okay. Good. right?
Yep, it's on its way to 150. It looks perfect.
When it sits, it goes up. You know, let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes.
150.3
Whoa.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Nice. You did good. Good with the air fryer.
Yeah.
All right, nice and hot. We got the pierogies and the peas. Should I put some on our plates?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, these are really looking good. You like those crunchy pierogies?
Mm-hmm. Could even put more butter on top of some on the steak too.
We could also put more pesto sauce if
Yeah.
you like more, but I can smell it's really strong.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Want to watch us take a taste?
Yeah, we'll taste it for you.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
I'm coming. And it also rested a little bit, which is good. Mm-hmm. Meat.
Yeah, nice.
Am I there?
I think you gotta go up a little bit.
They want to see the food though.
I can still see it. Boy, that really
Cheers.
nice. Cheers. Okay, we're gonna see how the steak came out. Oh, nice. This is a nice piece of steak. This is perfectly cooked for me. Juicy and just a little pink. Nice. Let's look at, look at the pierogies. You have to try something like this compared to the frozen type, right?
Yeah.
Nice potato filling in there.
And
Woo.
cheese, right?
And cheese. I'm going to take a bite of both at once. With a little onion.
Me steak.
Cheers.
That's tender. Mm-hmm. A hunk of butter too.
Okay.
Hmm.
Wow. Lots of flavor in here. That pesto really kicks it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the meat mixed with the potatoes. When we first started talking about this recipe, Rick was a steak and pierogies. We never had that before, right? But
I know they're both good, but
yeah, but
why not? Crunchy pierogi.
we usually eat pierogies with onion and butter, or else fried, air fried, or whatever. But I never ate them with pesto on. I like this recipe.
It's good. Mm-hmm. Try it. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Thanks for coming to the Pasta Word.
Please subscribe. Pass the word and tell all your friends. This is a good, different meal. You could surprise somebody since you never had something like this. Okay. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Good.